Hey, I'm Sir Krabs, not Mr. Krabs, and this is my first devlog for my future game SteamTopia, and also my first video on this channel. This is my first devlog for SteamTopia, but the game has been in development for already 1 year as a part-time slash hobby. To put into simple words, Steampunk is a 2D pixel art factory building game in a steampunk uh, set, but it's still very early in development. As you saw in the title, this video will be about my journey making Electricity into the game. But before that, here's a speedrun of what I've already implemented into the game.
3 rock spawning, tools, crafting, chests, conveyor belts, and automation to some degree.
Now without further ado, let's move on to the actual video.
I already had a machine to consume energy, but I still had no generator. Since I'm creating early game edge yet, the best choice was a burning generator. With a little bit of life to it, I added some animated features like smoke when it's on, some gears rotating and a front panel showing some information. I also needed an energy post. I did it quickly and it kinda looks like the Satisfactory one, but that's something that I'm not worried about right now. And I have no idea how the heck I'm supposed to do a different design from this one. Now, you are probably wondering, or not, how did I create this amazing curved wire thingy when connecting two builds, or nodes as I call it. So let me tell you about splines. If you are familiar with game dev, you probably already at least heard of it. To resume, it's just curves done with multiple points. I'm not the best to explain it and I just use a simple spline with 4 points, but I will put a link to a video from CodeMonkey about the topic. It's really useful and if you are interested, go check it out. Anyway, by checking every point from a calculated spline, I managed to make this wiring a lot better than what it would have been with just a straight line. Moving on comes the most challenging part, how to make the actual electricity works. My first thought was to use graphs to manage the energy, and even though I don't like them, I saw no other alternative. If you aren't familiar with data structures, a graph is a structure where data is on vertices and in edges. It's really useful to make maps, and thanks to some algorithms it's possible to check quickest paths between vertices and more useful stuff like things that you see in Google Maps. Anyway, the graph system that I had to do was really simple and easy to implement. I just needed to create nodes with a list of other adjacent nodes. When the node connects to another, they both add each other to the adjacent nodes. When to check the electricity, it checks a random node and gets its adjacent nodes and their adjacent nodes until every adjacent node is checked. When a node is a generator, there's positive energy. The posts have zero energy and the machines have negative energy. If the total energy is negative, it means there isn't enough energy for everything, so every node is turned off. Yeah, so that's basically it. I know this was quite short for a devlog, but I'm still new in this world of recording game devs. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. If you don't, just dislike. If you can, please comment what I should improve in these videos and wishlist SteamTopia if you want. Thanks for watching, I'm out.